Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Right now, magkakaroon tayo ng exclusive tour of 2-bedroom unit dito sa Park Macanlawes. So this is our 2-bedroom unit. Yung papakita ko sa inyo is this is a 110 square meter. Tara, check natin. So upon entering, makikita nyo naka-smart lock system tayo and we can access it through card, PIN, or fingerprint. And makikita nyo sa ating kitchen area is na-utilize talaga siya ng mabuti. And if you take a look here, meron tayong mga cabinets up and down. And para natin malalaman na premium to, it's a so close na. And also here, makita nyo, naka-granite na tayo for our countertop. And also we have here the retractable faucet and our sink from Frank. And here, makita nyo, may 4 na tayo na induction cooktop and built-in oven. Kasama na yan sa ating unit. And makikita nyo sa side na to, meron pa tayong extra na magiging countertop. Yes. And punta tayo dito sa kabila na to. So this is the maid's room, extra room, or you can use it as utility room. So makikita nyo, talagang magagamit natin ito ng mabuti. Paano mo nasabing we can do it ay extra room? Tara, pasok po kayo. Makikita nyo, meron tayong own toilet and bath. Let's go sa ating living area. And wait, kagandahan rin pala dito, meron na tayong sariling video telecom na connected as to our lobby. So here is our living spacious area. Napakalaki po talaga. And here makikita nyo, pwede lagyan dito ng up to 10 seaters table. And pwede rin lagyan natin dito the sofa or there. Yeah, para mas talaga makikater talaga natin ng buo ang ating family. And here makita natin may kasama na rin tayong split type inverter aircon. It's from Daikin. So here makita mo rin is we have our own balcony. This ay Makati Skyline afternoon sun view. So tara, let's go to magiging natin, mini hallway natin na we can do the frameworks here, paintings, and many more. And here makikita nyo ang our first bedroom unit. So makikita dito, naka-ceramic clock na tayo, mas madali siyang i-vacuum. And we have also included na 3 doors cabinets. And talaga siyang para siyang hotel-like. Yan. So we also have here the split type inverter aircon and our own balcony. So punta tayo dito naman. So this is the complete sanitary fittings na toilet and bath. What you see is what you get. Here you have our shower na sabitan ng mga towel. Kasama na rin to. And also our toilet and the mirror and so on. So tara, let's go naman sa ating master bedroom. You can see, pareha sa kabila, naka-ceramic plank na rin tayo and have our own balcony. Yan, and split type inverter aircon. So dito, kakasya na ito. Kung gusto nyo, kakasya nito, 2 king size pwede. Or 1 king size, yan, pwede. Lagyan natin dito para meron tayong natural light, TV. Maganda po talaga yung design ng unit natin. And here, we have here, then, the walk-in closet. Makita nyo, 1, 2, 3, and 4 doors na siya. And meron pa tayo sa kabila. Here, dito, makikita natin ang ating the biggest toilet and bath of this unit. So, what you see is what you get. So, tara, pakita ko sa inyo. This is the toilet and bath. And kagandahan dito, meron na rin tayo ditong nilagyan na area na pwede natin siyang like upuan or lagyan natin mga necessities. Good news guys, meron pa tayong 2-bedroom unit dito sa Park Macanlawes, which is have a 106 and 110 square meter. This is listed around 36 million pesos. And also, naka-rent-to-own promo terms din tayo. If you want to have this kind of unit and have a 2-bedroom unit with the best view, just message me. See you in our next video.